Maiden flight with the Buratinu. Grab that for us, thank you very much. So I need to weigh it from here. I've got a piece of lead in there, I've got a bit of lead in there to balance it out. I think it's about there, about an inch back. Do that way. Oop. So line it up with the... Does that look level?
The nose is slightly down.
That's good, isn't it? Slightly.
Yeah. Okay.
That should be alright. There you go.
Bingo.
Maiden flight of this experimental. Printed on an Ender 3D machine. 50 hours worth of printing on this. Give it a bit of welly.
I'll just test the motors.
Okay. Alright. Give it a bit more welly. Yeah, pull in. Yeah, okay. More welly. More. Oh. End of story.
Didn't last long.
No.
The propeller's a bit underpowered.
Do you think so? Yeah.
Did you
hit it on full?
It was about 80%.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think it's broken?
No, it's just coming. Is the motor off?
Yeah.
Thanks.
That's a shame. Maybe I should have...
I just used MDC to glue it. I didn't use super glue. Probably should have used super glue.
Yeah, that wasn't a very heavy crash.
No, it wasn't, was it?
It was very tame, actually.
Yeah.
So it's not two things not strong enough.
Yeah.
The propeller's too small.
I've got a 3-bladed one, but the motor itself, maybe it is. I don't know. They say it's really powerful for these planes. Yeah, see, it hasn't got much glue on it. Look, very little. In fact, that bit, half an inch of glue. Maybe it's one I didn't glue.
It's like a Lego. It's like Lego, basically.
I know.
Engineering error, I'm afraid.
Yeah.
Sorry, not engineering error, manufacturing error.
Yeah, production error.
Got a nice bit of earth in the wing.
Yeah.